Guys, today we're making a cake for your version. 3 ingredients only. Let's go. I think this recipe is also finished, and this is the cookies. There's only one ingredient left. By the way, I'm using Ziploc to reveal the secret recipe. So while we're waiting for the flour, let's first crush the Oreos. So you might think there's nothing in here. These are just cookies, right? I put Oreos in them. See those black things? Okay. So this is the Ziploc bag. So this is for I'm gonna use it for the Oreos. Okay. So there's 3 Oreos right here. Okay. So this is 3 Oreos. 1, 2, 3. Put them in a Ziploc bag. Okay. So separate the cookies and bring them back. So today we're gonna seal the Ziploc bag with no air. Oh, thanks for the light. I think that's magic. Alright, so here's my mom in here. I'm gonna upload this on YouTube, so let's go. Actually, we're not. Okay. So first we're gonna use our fingers to just, you know what, let's keep the crushing pepperoni. Sige. I-toppings natin yung sa cake kaya. Where the crush go? So by the way, that's my mom. In the back. Eating snacks. So we're gonna reveal the flour later. Let's use brush to spread it out. Then we're gonna pour. I like rubbing things. Please subscribe. I wanna hit 20 subscribers on YouTube. This one just please have mercy for the kid. So we're just gonna shake it. This is the best reader. Brushing this. Alright, so if you don't know, we're making lava cake. If I didn't say earlier, but alright, let's do this. So I think this is crushed, but let's check the judge if she agrees. I think that's okay. So another secret, okay? It's a cup, okay? And then trick shot. A spoon. So this is our cup, and this is like the Oreos smashed. Let's do like this. Oh, look at the cream. Open it first. It's the cream. Let's get the cream. So let's touch it. Okay, suck it. Then we're gonna pour the cookies, the crushed cookies in the pan. I mean in the now why don't you come up right now though? So we're gonna pour carefully. You know, it's gonna. So by the way, this is a YouTube recipe. I just learned it on YouTube, and I wanna try it. And last time we did it, but when we microwaved it, I mean when I tasted it, it became horrible. It's not on flour. So today we're gonna make it better, and let's see if our cooking skills improve. We're gonna crush it more here. Alright, so this is super crushed, okay? So let me just move my tablet so as you can see. So it is super crushed, and if you can see, congratulations. Today we're gonna pour milk with mom. Mom, look at dito. Inubos niya yung ano ko, pepper. Alright, so tingnan mo, tama na. Yeah. So we're trying this recipe again. Yeah, so let's keep on mixing. So this is crushed pineapple already, so we're gonna add flour. This is a spoon to the flour. Let's do this. This is only a teaspoon, and this is a spoon. So let's do this. Alright, so we're gonna this one. Just gonna wait. We're gonna put that. Just wait. Today we're gonna mix this because it's already it has already flour. Just wait. So today we're gonna mix the flour into the mixture. You can actually do this too. The ingredients is at the comment section. So it turns darker. Yeah, just need to keep mixing. So I think this is okay na, no? So let's microwave it in 90 seconds. We're already done mixing. Let's put this in the lavabo. I mean, in the sink. With this too. We're gonna put this in the microwave with the paper towel. Let's go. So I'm actually a kid and I'm trying this cooking a first time. So we're gonna put this right here and this right there. We're just gonna cover it like that. That's it. So we're gonna put this in 90 seconds. Let's go. So while we're doing that, I'm gonna wash the spoons. We're gonna wash the spoons right there. Let's go. We're washing the spoons now. Let me give you a quick recap. So last time when we did this, there's 2 tablespoons of flour. Tastes horrible. Does not taste as chocolate. So today, let's check it. Alright, so let's check the microwave right now. Oh, look at that. Open this. So let's put this as we grab the cup. So here is the result. Let's taste test. So promise I'm gonna share the recipe in comment section. Just wait, okay? This is called hot lava cake and mom don't want to join me, so I'm gonna taste it myself. So I'm afraid this will taste horrible again. Let's just wait until we eat it. Alright, so last time it tastes just like flour. This time we're gonna taste it. Hate to say this, but it tastes like flour again. Just like the last time we did it. But at the end, there's like more flavor. So it's like, still tastes like flour. So what if we add some chocolate or we add the oreos, then the flour, right? So that's it for today. Peace guys.